بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Good morning, my shining stars of grade 7th. Welcome back to your social studies class. Stay home, stay safe. Take care of yourselves and your family. I hope you are doing well and you will have enjoyed it holidays. This is 8th week and I am going to start today's lesson. You all must participate actively in the Google Classroom. I am sure that my brilliant minds are taking great interest in doing their homework and assignments seriously in time. No doubt studious students are participating well and able to ambiguity towards the contents taught till date. Now let's start today's class. Dear students, you know very well that you should have your social studies textbook with you, along with pen and notebook. Dear students, you know very well that you should have your social studies textbook with you, along with pen and notebook. Dear students, let us have a recap of the previous lesson. Environment means the surroundings or conditions in which person, animal, or plant lives or operates. Pollution is the presence or introduction into the environment of a substance which has harmful or poisonous effects. Different types of pollution are: 1. Air pollution. 2. Water pollution. 3. Land pollution. 4. Noise pollution. 5. Visual pollution.
Dear students, in the lesson environment today we are going to learn about few important definitions of population, like birth rate, death rate, natural change of population and life expectancy. We will also learn about the living of people in 3 different stages.
Dear students, as you already know, the number of people living in a particular area at particular time makes its population. Do you have any information about the other main definitions related to population? Hope you already read about these concepts in previous classes. Let us learn them one more time for better understanding. Dear student, first definition is birth rate. The number of live births per 1,000 people per year is called birth rate. We can also say that number of babies born in any area per 1,000 people is its birth rate. Niger has the highest birth rate in the world, whereas Monaco has the lowest birth rate. Students, your task is to find the birth rate of Pakistan and Qatar. Students, second definition of today's lesson is death rate. The number of deaths per 1,000 people per year is called death rate. We can also say that the number of people die in any area per 1,000 per year is its death rate. Students, your task is to find the death rate of Pakistan and Qatar. Our third definition is natural change or natural growth of population. The change in the size of population caused by the interrelationship between birth and death rates. The difference between birth rate and death rate is called natural change. Dear students, if there are more births than deaths, the population will grow. If there are more deaths than births, the population will shrink. Dear students, overpopulation refers to a population which exceeds its sustainable size within a particular environment or habitat. Overpopulation results from an increased birth rate, decreased death rate. When a country's resources cannot fulfill the basic needs of the people, that country is called overpopulated country. Dear students, our last definition of today's lesson is life expectancy. The average number of years that a person can expect to live from birth. Japan has highest life expectancy, 85 years. Students, for your convenience, lifespan or living of people has been divided into 3 phases. In old times, according to book 1. Almost half of the number of children born died before their 5th birthday. 2. Life expectancy was probably 30-35 years. 3. Older person might live 50 years or so. Dear students, now you will learn about the living condition Middle Ages onwards. 1. People started living in towns. 2. From 18th century industrial world burst upon society. 3. Factories started belching out great clouds of smoke. 4. Towns and cities grew. 5. Lack of water and sanitation system. At the end, students, we are going to learn living conditions at present. These conditions helped to increase the life expectancy of today's human race. Factors that helped to increase life expectancy. 1. We have good water supplies. 2. We have better healthcare facilities. 3. We have good housing. 4. We have efficient transports network. 5. We have better medicines. Dear students, after watching this video lesson 2 times, if you have any question in your mind, write it down and ask your teacher during class through Google Classroom or during Zoom meeting. Thank you.